A rustic fence holds this lush sanctuary where vibrant planters overflow with life. Stone paths wind toward a quiet shed, bathed in the cozy golden glow of warm string lights. At dusk, a winding path invites you into a fragrant tapestry of velvet peonies. Fairy lights cast a magical spell over climbing roses, leading toward a hidden, charming cottage. Under a twilight sky, the path winds through blooms of soft blue hydrangea. String lights illuminate climbing roses on the fence, casting an inviting glow over this serene escape. Soft sunlight touches the textured stones of this garden path. Delicate roses climb the rustic fence, leading you beneath warm string lights toward an arched, blooming gateway. Weathered wood cradles a vibrant array of colorful blooms in this lush retreat. A flagstone path meanders past the glowing fence, guiding you to a quiet place of outdoor living. As dusk falls, the patio comes alive with the warm glow of string lights. Raised beds overflow with greenery, while the lit windows of the house promise comfort and tranquility. In the ethereal light of dusk, a winding path reveals a paradise of peach and cream roses. Fairy lights twinkle on the fence, casting a romantic glow over the fragrant lavender. Beneath a soft blue sky, the path wanders past lavender and climbing roses. Warm lights glow on the fence, framing the quaint house in a scene of peaceful, idyllic natural beauty. A vintage lantern lights the way through this English garden, where roses spill from rustic fences. The stone path leads to a thatched cottage nestled in a magical, lush haven. Bathed in golden light, the winding path reveals a stone cottage glowing with warmth. Delicate roses climb the fence, framing a serene landscape of palm trees and quiet beauty. Tiered planters overflow with vibrant life against the rustic wood. The soft glow of string lights illuminate purple clematis vines, creating a cinematic and serene garden oasis. Vibrant pink flowers spill from raised planters in this inviting retreat. A stone path winds beneath twinkling string lights, leading you toward a quiet corner of pure serenity. Under a deep blue twilight, the stone path winds through fragrant lavender. Hanging baskets overflow with blooms, lit by the soft, magical glow of lights strung along the fence. Overhead lights cast a warm embrace on this vibrant path, where cascading white blooms meet lush greenery. The rustic fence and stone way create a scene full of life and peace. Sunlight dances on the stone path, leading past a white fence draped in roses. The thatched cottage glows warmly amidst the blooms, creating an idyllic haven under the bright sky.